In the misty folds of ancient Chinese history, a remarkable legend unfolds. A story preserved in old scrolls known as King Ping's Charter.
Long ago, in the ancient kingdom of Chu, a legend was born, not of a man, but of a dog. Desperate to defeat his rival King Kao, the emperor made a bold offer. Whoever brings me King Kao's head shall marry my daughter.
Many warriors tried and failed, but help came from an unlikely hero. A mystical, multicolored dog named Mien. Mien, with great courage and cunning, found King Kao and returned with his head in triumph. True to his word, King Ping gave his daughter in marriage to the hero Mien. Their union brought forth 12 children, 6 sons and 6 daughters. These 12 children would become the forefathers of 12 great Yao tribes: Pan, Kao, Li, Qin, Law, Fong, Liu, Tern, Chu, Sao, Wang, and Yang. For generations, the Yao people have passed down the tale of Mien, a symbol of courage, loyalty, and divine favor. Though part dog and part myth, Mien is remembered not just as a warrior, but as the father of a people.
And so the Yao people trace their origin not just to royalty, but to the courage of a faithful, multicolored dog.
This is the origin of the Yao tribes, a story of love, valor, and legacy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more myths and legends from around the world.